Is this Lego Death Star, or Death Slice as my wife calls it, worth $1,000? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Lego Death Star as well as the light kit I purchased for it from BrickBling. This set came out just last month as the most expensive Lego set released, and it's gotten a lot of criticism for it. From the price to the flatness of the set, the 50 stickers that come with it, and the gift with purchase that should have been included from the beginning. We'll touch on all of that and review the set itself. Plus, I'll talk about the light kit I added that I feel makes the set look really good. Okay, there are a few different Lego Death Stars out there. This one is set 75419 at 9,023 pieces, and it's $1,000. Now this set is the most expensive, but it's not the biggest set in terms of pieces. The world map is over 11,000 pieces. The Eiffel Tower is about 10,000 pieces. The Titanic around 9,000. The Eiffel Tower and Titanic are cheaper than the Death Star. So that's one thing that will certainly upset some people, and for good reason. The set measures 31 inches wide and 27.5 inches tall. It's 10.5 inches deep at the base, but the Death Slice is about 7 inches in depth without the protrusion at the bottom of it. It took me about a week to build it, working on it for around an hour each day. The set comes in a large box with 3 boxes inside. Each box has 2 instruction manuals to work through. While I was building this, I also installed the light kit from BrickBling. This is an add-on light kit you can get for around $130. They have 2 versions. For an extra $10, you get a remote control that will add effects to the super laser. You get a box with around 14 bags of parts. The instructions are online with good pictures to follow along with each step. It's important to keep the bags organized, because if you're putting in a light, you might pull a connector from one bag and a light from another bag. It'll turn the back of your desk sliver into a little bit of a mess with the wires, but the back is to the wall, so it's not a big deal. The light kit really adds to this set, and I'd recommend it if you're going down this rabbit hole, although I don't think the remote is really needed. And it's actually pretty easy to install. Since you can remove parts of the Death Star easily, it makes putting the lights in even easier. Overall, the set is nice and I do like it. I don't think it's worth $1,000 though. I cashed in credit card points to pay for half of it, and that softened the blow just a little bit. But I did go back and forth about whether to get it or not. Because I waited, I didn't get the gift with purchase, but I do think that that should be included with the set. There are nice touches to the set. The trash compactor works, some of the scenes can be pulled out, there's a stormtrooper taking a bath at the top with a rubber ducky. What else do you need? They did a good job capturing those classic scenes from the movies, and I like how it looks on my desk next to the Falcon. And it's funny, because the Falcon is $150 less than the Death Disc, with 1,500 less pieces, and I don't regret getting that at all. I'm not sure what logic is making my brain okay with that and not so okay with the death panel. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is this a set you're thinking about getting? Do you have it already? And if so, do you regret it? Thanks again for watching everyone, and we'll talk soon.